Hello and welcome. This video is part of a series of videos in which I'll discuss my approach to RFP and auction design, including questions to ask, scoring methods and auction choice criteria. In this video, I shall cover the use of single and multi-stage events in the sourcing process. Multi-stage events are important because most of the cost we incur, risk we accept, and value we create is designed in at the specification stage. A multi-stage event allows us to conduct specification discovery and refinement in a compliant and transparent process. In today's video, I shall be talking about the event funnel. In further videos in this series, I shall discuss question style, scoring, analysis and auctions, all part of the multi-event process. Let's take a look at this schematic that represents the strategic sourcing process. It represents multiple stages of RFX and may or may not include a reverse auction. All sourcing events follow this process. The variation in event value and complexity accounts for the point of entry into the event funnel, so named because as we progress, we narrow our options until we reach a solution. For my most simple events, indeed for most events, I follow a single stage process because I know exactly what it is that I want to buy. Typically, I've bought these products or services before from a known supply base, so I'm not looking to introduce new suppliers, so my RFP or auction will most likely be quite short with relatively few questions. As my sourcing process becomes more complex, I move to a two-stage process. This gives me the chance to assess the competitive nature of my supply base, therefore to determine the suitability of an auction at final stage. It may be that I'm introducing new suppliers or products or services, so I take the first round to gain market information and ideas. It also gives me the chance to give feedback to bidders in between rounds. The most comprehensive process with two or more iterations through RFX is reserved for when I know least about what I want and the suppliers play a role in specification design. This more collaborative process features more open questions and is specifically designed for the suppliers to express their creativity and differentiation. Please join me in the next video in the series where I shall examine what makes a good question in an RFP. If you have any further questions at this stage, please contact your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive for more information.